hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a drugstore makeup look, an affordable makeup look. I feel like this is long overdue. I haven't done it in a while. I did one this year, but haven't done one in a while since then. And I think we're going to have a bridal focus. I've only done one. Oh my god, as I'm starting to film, seriously. So I feel like I've definitely done a bridal makeup look on my channel, but that was I think last year within the hype of getting engaged. And now I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to focus this one predominantly on drugstore. I've already done my brows off camera just because you've seen me do that 1,000,001 times. I was trying a new technique, it didn't really work out. I don't have the proper product for it, so until I get that sorted, I will just start makeup like this. Like I said, it is a drugstore makeup look, so we're gonna start off with a primer. And this is a primer I don't typically use when I do my face. But this is a silicone based primer from L'Oreal. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying base. I feel like a lot of brides for sure want to look matte on their wedding days. They don't want to get too oily. They want to look dewy and radiant, but they don't want to look oily. They don't want to get too oily because of the T-zone or the combination skin or the oily skin. So I'm going to start off with this. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying base, and I'm only gonna apply this on my T-zone. It's important to know like your skin type. This could be you. This could be you. You don't want to use a makeup artist for your wedding. You could be on a budget, or you just want to do your own face. You're gonna try something out. I don't even know how this look is gonna turn out, but hopefully it won't be too bad. I'm really gonna try my best to just take my time. So we're just concentrating this on the T-zone area. Apologies for my one nail. My gel came off. My gelish came off my nail, so I have to correct that. The foundation we're going to be using today is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation. Here it's called Accord Parfait. It's in French. I'm not too sure why. I bought this at a Click store. I bought this at a Click store myself maybe a year ago or last year, I'm not too sure. It's the shade Cappuccino. It's 8N, and I believe this is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. It looks like the packaging of the other foundations. Oh my god. I'm going to apply this. It is a little bit on the darker side. I feel like we can make it work. I believe this isn't necessarily a mattifying foundation. I believe it could be a satin finish, but we'll see how it dries down. Could be demi matte. We'll see how it dries down onto the skin. It's adding a lot of warmth to my face. My schedule last week was so horrible with stage 4 load shedding. Like I just could not even cope. For those of you who work from home, how are you coping with this load shedding? I know it's sort of slowed down a bit and we don't have it yet again, but how do you guys cope? Like even taking a laptop somewhere doesn't work out because that area code also could have load shedding, or I don't know. It's a lot. So that's the foundation. It is quite warm, and so we're just gonna bring it down just a little bit. But it seems to be a medium buildable coverage, so you can definitely build up your coverage if you wanted to. For concealer, I'm taking my I want to try and not use the LA Girl concealer, so I'm taking my Maybelline concealers. This is the Fit Me concealers, and I'm going to be using, we're going to try and use shade 50. I'm not too sure if it's bright enough. Let's also try 45. So we're using 45. I think the key to a bridal makeup look is for sure the skin. The focus is definitely skin, and then of course the eyes as well. I won't lie, I'm loving the consistency of this, concealer. We're going to pounce. We're gonna set our face. We're taking the Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. So we're gonna set the rest of our face. We're taking our black radiance. I'm worried that this is a little bit dark. I don't think I know where I'm gonna use my trusted black opal powder to set the rest of our face. So let's get into eyes. So we're gonna dip into this palette from Revolution. I forgot I had this, which is what actually inspired me to do this sort of makeup look today. The Revolution Pro HD Amplified 35 palette, and it's a very big palette. It's sort of, yeah, it's 35 shades. So we're just gonna get started with the first one. We're gonna set up our crease area. So I'm taking a bit of a largish brush, and I'm going in with this burgundy right here, and we're gonna go into our crease with this. There really is not a thing, there's really no such thing as too much blending. I'm also gonna manipulate the shape of my eye with this approach. I really want a beautiful, like I want to create a lot of lid space. I'm taking a clean brush and I'm just working those edges of this burgundy. I took it quite high up into the brow bone, so it's just very important that that's really beautiful and blended out. We're going to take a smaller crease brush and go in with the small chocolatey chestnut shade over here, and we're just really putting this right into our crease just for a little bit of depth, because we are cutting our crease. For this part, we are going to take our LA Girl. We're going to take a flat synthetic concealer brush. So we have marked out the space which we want to play with some gold and some glitter. I'm cracking open my other Revolution palette. This has got a lot of shimmers in it. This other big one is very it's got very matte. It's a very matte palette. So we're opening the Revolution Flawless Fall palette. I'm gonna go in with this metallic-y shimmer. There's no name. There ain't no name for it. You know what? I don't think this brush is the best option. So I'm gonna take a more. I think these brushes are from Kenya Cosmetics. We're gonna follow the line of this crease very carefully. So. I sort of don't want this lid to be so one-dimensional, so I'm gonna pick up some more glitter, and I'm taking the super goldy one, and I'm gonna put it in the center. I'm gonna pack it on in the center of the lid so that we have a sort of gradient effect to our gold. In the inner corner, I'm going back in with this very super light champagne, and I'm taking this into the inner corner. And now we're going to mimic the bottom. We are not taking shimmers to our bottom lash line. So we're going back in with that beautiful red. All the emails I'm getting this Monday is event postponed, event postponed, event postponed. It's insane. So we're really gonna bring this down, this color. So we're just taking a clean brush and just sweeping away very carefully any fallout, and I'm gonna take my blending brush and I'm just blending out the lower line. Taking my L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic mascara. Our lashes are from Cover the Lashes, and I'm taking some bold, gorgeous lashes. Ooh. Are we still ordering? Because when I work from home, I definitely order a lot of Uber Eats. Sometimes I'm too lazy to make something, or I just won't have time and I really just want to eat something. Is it advised to order Uber Eats during this time, like order food for delivery? Is it advised? We're gonna bronze up or contour, powder contour with some bronzer. I'm taking this bronzer from Yardley, pigmented, so you really need to be careful with this. I'm taking my favorite drugstore highlighter, Wet n Wild Mega Glow. Battery's running flat, don't have much time, but we're gonna line our lips with a brown liner. My favorite brown lip liner is from NYX Cosmetics. It's not the one I'm using now, I can't find it and I don't have time. For our lips, for gloss, I'm taking the NYX Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss, and this is the shade Sugar Mama. This is my favorite nude drugstore gloss. Could be my favorite nude gloss, period. I just love, it's a true nude and it's so beautiful. Just love the combination. I'm cheating a little bit. I'm taking an Inglot glittery gloss and I'm just going on top of this Sugar Mama. I'm just gonna take my brush and just dust away excess, or I'm gonna give the face final spritz. And that's it, guys. This is my take on an affordable bridal inspired makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you are in the mix of getting married, or you are newly engaged, or you would wear this to your bridal shower even, or matric dance. I feel like makeup is just so interchangeable. It's not just for one thing. So let me know what you would use, where you would rock this sort of glam look to. That's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. What I did want to ask you is to let me know if you guys want me to do one makeup brand tutorial. So I originally had the idea to do a full face of Maybelline makeup, but I realized I was missing so much. I didn't have an eyeshadow palette, I didn't have some powders and all of that stuff, so ended up being very tricky. I think it's because I've either given away a lot of makeup or I've thrown a lot of stuff out. I'm not too sure, but let me know down below if there is a specific brand you guys want me to focus on, drugstore or high-end, and I will see what I can do to create a look with that in mind. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon.